Under Xi Jinping, the situation inside Tibet has rapidly deteriorated. It is now a crime to be Tibetan inside Tibet. But rather than treating Xi like the dictator he is, Macron is rolling out the red carpet for him. To avoid complicity in grotesque human rights violations and genocide, Europe must reject the normalization of Xi's genocidal regime and urge their leaders to call for a free Tibet. Pegilo.
Doing business with China means being complicit in Xi Jinping's bloody crimes. I took action today because Macron and Xi Jinping will be meeting to discuss green technologies such as solar panels and EVs. But as Tibetans, we know that Xi is displacing tens of thousands of Tibetans off their ancestral homes and destroying historic monasteries in the name of renewable energy infrastructure, like they're doing in Kamdege. I call on President Macron and the French people to refuse the collaboration with Xi Jinping and the Chinese government and to support the human rights of the Tibetan people. Free Tibet!